Connor Hospital. Yeah, this one has a lot of buttons replaced. Well, listen to that door operator. My favorite OTIS sounds. Clunking, interlocking, the humming, whirring door operator. Wow, look at that. Here already? Okay, guess it's too slow. Now, here we go. OTIS. I feel like the motor was replaced on this one because it's very smooth and there's no causing on it. This is kind of ugly. Almost every single button was replaced. There's the inching buttons that don't do anything. If this one was like the other one, then this is replaced too, but this is an actual OTIS button. These are all Adams replacement.